Okay, welcome back to the. Oh, you're almost finished now. You basically built most all your pages. You've just really got one more page to build, and then your free ebook, which is pretty easy to do. And this is all free. I'll show you how to do that. So at this one, we're going to now build our capture page. Remember, we've actually gone backwards. We built the last page in the system first, and then now we're doing our capture page, which is really going to be our first page. So what you want to do, again, I'm just on the training site, and I'm going to come right up here, and this is the code right here for your capture page. So let's go ahead and just grab that code. Remember to download it. You can either just open it or save it. This one might be a few pages, yeah, so be sure and always check and see if you've got more than one page of code. Let me just grab this. Oops. And we'll just copy that. And then we can get rid of that. Now come back over to your Splash Page Builder inside your all-in-one profits, and just if you happen to be on the NetApp page, all you do is just click Splash Pages, and it brings up that. Or if you're here, you can just click Splash Builder, and that'll get you to it as well. And we're going to create, this will be your capture page, so you could do something. So again, you only have limited text, so maybe capture something like that. So you can just identify it. We'll just put test 2 on this one. And the same thing on this one, we just want the picture squeeze page. So click that, scroll down a little bit, and update your template. Once that's done, go back to edit the page. We're going to create it. We're going to just scroll down here a little bit. This all should start looking familiar to you. Again, the headline text right here. We're going to click HTML. We're going to paste that in, and then just click update. And then that loads it for you right there. Come down here and click update settings. Now if I view my splash page, it's basically just offering the free book. Now you have to make a couple of changes. You'll notice here it says hi, I'm, and then I've got place your name here. So what you have to do is just, you're in the editing screen, just come down here. This is where it's all been added right in here. Just scroll down a little bit, and then just put your name right there. Just hit the backspace key, and then just put in your name. Come back down, update your settings, and then just view your splash page. And now you'll notice my name is now in there. Now the only other thing we have to do on this one, the form, I've actually embedded the form right into this is the form right here that I'm circling with my mouse for your autoresponder. You don't want to leave the form that I have in the HTML guide, because it's my autoresponder form, and they'll go to my list, not yours. So you have to change that, and it's not that complicated. It's pretty easy. So what we're going to do is, I'm actually going to come down here, and I'm going to get rid of the border. Don't forget those borders, just get rid of those things. And just update our settings. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is come back over to my main all-in-one profits account. I'm going to click autoresponder. I'm going to click campaigns, and then I don't know however you named your campaign, the one that you created, it's going to be, you'll probably only have 2 campaigns, but you have to load it. And so what you do is you find the one that you want, and then you just click the go. See how it changed it right up here? That means now that's the campaign that I have loaded to capture page. If I was to click that, you'll notice how it changed up here. Now it's under this. So now I'm under a different campaign. So you want to be sure that you have the campaign loaded. So once it's loaded, once you've hit go, just click prospects and come down here and click HTML form. See where it says HTML form? Click that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to generate the form here at the bottom. So you just generate HTML form and just grab all that code. It says, just copy all that code. Come back over to your splash page builder. Scroll down. Click the HTML button. This brings up all the HTML coding in that form. Now near the very bottom, you're going to see where it says form. See where it says form right there? And then if you look up just a little bit higher, you'll see form right there. So this is the in between form and form is your autoresponder forms. That's the code for that. So you want to just position your cursor to the left of that form and then just highlight all it. So you're going to highlight from form to form. That's what you want to highlight. And then just paste in your new code. And then just hit update. And I'll be sure to come down here and hit update settings. Now it'll have your autoresponder. See where it says sign up? I would get rid of that. And that's pretty easy to do. I probably should have showed you. You can do two things. I'm going to go back over to campaigns and prospects, HTML form, just like we did before. And right here where it says button text, I can change that to maybe yes, I want this guide. And I should have had you do that before. I've just created a new form, and I can now just highlight that, and I can copy it, and I can come back over to my splash page builder. I'm going to scroll down to where the text is. I'm going to click HTML code, and I can paste in that new form now. Or you'll notice there's the start of my form right there. Right here is the bottom of my form. See it down there? See where it says right here value, and then it's got sign up, and then there's parentheses right there. That's what you can also change as well. You could just backspace and then just type in yes, I want this guide. Or you could just go back up to form, highlight it all, and then paste in that new form, and we'll update. Don't forget, save your changes, update your settings, and then we're going to view our splash page. Now see how it changed. Yes, I want this guide. You're not asking people to sign up, and so that kind of seems like you're already trying to sell them something. This is not the time to try and sell somebody something. You can also come down here. Maybe you want to change the color in the background. You can change that if you want, whatever color you like. Come down here, update my settings, view my splash page, and see how I changed the background color. So you can change that as well if you want. You basically want this page to show up above the fold, and so what that means is here's my monitor screen. Right here at the bottom is considered the fold. A lot of times people will not scroll down, so you want everything to show up on this above the fold. So that's why this is a little bit smaller of a guide. And that's it. You've now built your splice page builder. So it's all set up for you on that. So the next video, the last one, we're just going to go in and we're going to, I'm going to show you how to host your ebook. You've got to host that, and then you've got to update your autoresponder just with a few URLs, and you'll be finished. So we'll see you on that video.